Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie and today we are going to make the accessories for our Bart the Duck. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's get started. I want to begin by making Bart's little bow tie. Well, I'm already here with the yarn I chose to make this little bow tie that he wears. Let's start by making a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 8. Now that my 8 chains are done, I'm going to chain 2 to bring up the row. And I'm going to work my way back, making 1 double crochet in each foundation chain. We will have a total of 8 double crochets since we made 8 foundation chains. So just make 1 double crochet in each foundation chain. For those who don't remember how to do a double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on. Your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Your double crochet is ready. Let's do it. Everyone, this is the first row of double crochets we are making. We will need to make 19 of these rows, okay? They are all going to be exactly the same. Let me show you when you finish a row. I'm going to make the last double crochet here just to show you. I've finished row 1. So I'm going to chain 2, turn my work, and start making 8 more double crochets all the way to the end. And we will keep doing this until we have 19 rows, okay? This is my row number 2, and I'm going to keep going until I reach row number 19. Since it's the exact same thing, I don't need to show every single row. I'll finish my rows, and then I'll come back here to show you how it turned out, and so we can continue making this bow, all right? Oh, and pay close attention to this last stitch right here. See how the last one is a bit hidden? Go ahead, insert your hook into it and make your double crochet normally, okay? Just so it stays nice and straight like this. I'll finish my 19 rows and come back to continue with you. All right, guys, I've finished my rows. Now I'm going to cut a long tail because I'm going to use this yarn to wrap around the center of my bow here. Then I pull it all the way through and it will look like this. Now everyone, I'll take a tapestry needle. Bring the 2 ends together and sew them. So, the yarn is coming out from here. I go into the first stitch on this side, insert into the first stitch on the other side, and sew. I'll keep doing this until I reach the end, just bringing them together and sewing. There we go. Now I open it up like this and fold it right down the middle. Here, guys, I'm going to insert the needle from the back. I want to create a pleat right here. So I go through the back. go through one more time. Once more here in the middle, and come out the back. First, I bring it out here so the bow shapes exactly the way I want. It got a little tangled here. Let me just undo it. There, ready. Now, this is up. You can do it whichever way you prefer, but I'm going to do it like this. When I pull it, my little bow shapes nicely with these pleats, see? So what am I going to do now? Holding it with these pleats, I'm going to take this yarn tail and start wrapping it around. We can hide this other yarn tail inside later, okay? The yarn tail from the beginning can just be fastened off and cut, no problem. This is how you make the middle of the bow. And it's very personal. You can leave it however you like it best. I can even leave this first yarn tail, the one I mentioned fastening off, so we can tie both tails together at the back of the bow to secure it. So, I'm going to tie a knot. And later, guys, we will sew these two parts onto the strap we're going to make. I'll teach you how to make it right now. But before that, let's fix it up here. I'll adjust my little bow nicely and it's all ready. Now we are going to make this part here that goes on the bow. See? This strap that we will use to wrap around and tie. We're also going to make it with the aqua green yarn, and we will chain 50, okay? Let's make 50 chains. When you finish the 50 chains, you will chain 1 to turn your work, and go back making 1 single crochet in each foundation chain. Okay, we will have a total of 50 single crochets since we have 50 chains. So I'll make a single crochet in each chain and come back to continue with you. Alright guys, I've finished making the single crochets. Now I'll cut my yarn, pull it through, and what I'm going to do is weave in these two tails, hiding them inside and cutting them. Okay, I'll do that and come back so we can sew it. Actually, I'll just do it right now. I'll sew it here, and then I'll weave everything in all at once. I'll find the middle. I folded it here, so this is the middle. I'll keep it folded. Take the yarn tail we left from the bow tie. And bring it right here to the center. There we go, okay? Pull it through. Then I'll sew it here, passing it underneath the bow. Just keep sewing until this part is very secure, all right? Catch whichever stitches you think work best, just until it's firmly attached to the bow. When you feel it's good, tie a knot. And now we just weave in all these yarn tails. Guys, to weave in, I always like to tie a knot, hide the tail inside the stitches and cut it. I know everyone has their own way of weaving in, so feel free to fasten off these yarn tails however you prefer. I'll weave in these two, hiding them inside here and cutting them, and these two here as well, hiding them inside the bow. I already tied a knot, I'll tie one more here, hide it, and cut it. That's how I'm going to do it, okay? Then I'll be back so we can continue. All right, guys, everything is woven in, and our little bow tie for Bart the Duck is ready. Now let's make his little hat. Let's start with round 1, which will be 6 single crochets in the magic ring. And round 2 will be 6 increases. We will have a total of 12 single crochets. So let's make 6 single crochets in the magic ring for round 1. Then close the ring and do round 2, which will be 6 increases. We'll have a total of 12 single crochets. All right, guys, round 2 is finished. Now for round 3, we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have a total of 18 single crochets. Just keep making 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Now let's do round 4. In this round, we are going to work single crochet over single crochet in the back loops only. So look, we have 2 loops here, right? I'll insert my hook into the back loop only and work single crochet over single crochet. We will have a total of 18 single crochets in this round. Now let's do round 5, which will be single crochet over single crochet. And we will have a total of 18 single crochets in this round as well. Just work stitch over stitch. Now let's do round 6. To make this round, guys, we are going to work in the front loops only, okay? Let's make the last round, which is the brim of the hat. I'm going to chain 1 to bring it up and make it taller, because we're going to work with double crochets. Okay? We will make 1 double crochet, catching the front loop only. I made 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch, I'll make 1 double crochet increase, meaning 2 double crochets in the same foundation loop. Remember to catch only the front loop. That back loop will remain available, and we are going to use it for sewing. So, let's make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase all the way around our row. This will give us 9 repetitions, okay? We have 18 base single crochets here, right? So it will be 9 repetitions total. All right, guys, we're finished here. Now we are going to cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, because we will use it for sewing. I'll take my tapestry needle and pull the loop through here. This little yarn tail from the middle can be cut. And this one that I'm going to use for sewing, I'll thread it into my tapestry needle. Right here, I skip the next stitch and enter this one. I'll go in from behind it and pull my yarn through. I'm going to make a seamless join here. I pull it to bring them together, and right where the yarn is coming out from underneath, I go back into the exact same place and come out through the inside on the wrong side of the hat. Then I pull it, and there you go. This way our little hat looks much neater, right? We will bring this yarn over to where the brim starts. Those back loops we left behind. I brought it over here because I'm going to sew those loops onto the duck's head. This gets the yarn completely ready for sewing, okay guys? And that's it. These are the accessories for our little duck. And now we have all the parts made and taught here on the channel. The final part will be in the next video, where we will learn how to assemble him. Remember that I had already recorded the assembly video. It was already done, okay? And the assembly was done using the duck you see right here. That's why in the next video, he will be yellow and not white, okay? Because I already recorded the assembly of this exact duck you're looking at, and that's the video that will go live for you. But it's the exact same thing, okay? I used the same materials, did the same steps, the same stitches. There will be absolutely no difference for you, only the color itself. Don't forget, everyone, to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment on what you're thinking of Bart the Duck. And that's all for today, guys. A big kiss, stay with God, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.